Hey guys, it's Brie the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Want to share with you guys the 6 must-do deals for Walgreens next week that are going to start on Sunday, March 15th and go through the 21st. So there are some toilet paper deals, some hand soap deals, things like that. Of course, they are flying off the shelves as everyone tries to prepare and make sure that we're all staying as clean and have as good of hygiene as we can during this whole coronavirus. So, of course, some of these deals you're going to want to take advantage of like right on Sunday. I don't know when the stores restock. They may be currently out, and when the new week happens, they may not get their trucks on Sunday. They might get it on like Tuesday or something. I know every store is different, so just talk to your managers, kind of figure out when they are going to be getting in their shipments. So if you guys do need toilet paper or hand soap, hand sanitizer, things like that, you guys know when you can stock up. Of course, if you have enough at the house, do not wipe out the shelves. Let everyone get at least 1 pack of toilet paper. I know some of my friends were posting that they just happened to run out of toilet paper completely, and now there's no toilet paper to be found, so they don't have any toilet paper, which I think is really bad and sad. I don't think that's nice that they can't even get, a 12 pack of toilet paper. So as couponers, obviously I have a small stockpile. It's really not that big. I give a lot away, give it to friends and family, coworkers, things like that. So I don't have that much, but if you do have some, try to make sure that you're conscientious of everyone else and make sure that everyone can get some, especially the people who do really need the soaps and things like that, the elderly people, things who are, really getting affected a lot worse. So, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I bring you guys daily deals, tips on how to save money, and how easy it is to combine a couple coupons at the different stores to get some freebies, some money makers, and just be able to save a ton of money. So the first freebie I want to share with you guys is on the Colgate. So Colgate next week at Walgreens, there's 2 separate deals, and it's on the different kinds of Colgate. So you want to make sure, go to a store that's tagged. It always makes it a lot easier when the stores are tagged. This is going to be on like the Colgate Sensitive. I don't know if the enamel is going to be included, but they're buy 2, get a $6 register reward. So the reason why I want to share with you guys a bunch of register reward deals is because those are going to be in my first transaction, because there is a nice spend deal booster in the ad that anyone can take advantage of. So I will be sharing with you guys 2 different scenarios that you can do for the spend booster deal at the end, so make sure you guys stay tuned. So for this deal in particular, you're going to buy 2 of the Colgate toothpaste. The toothbrushes and the mouthwashes are included. They are $4.99 each. There's going to be a $2 digital coupon and a $2 coupon from the 315 Smart Source insert. You're going to pay $5.98. Get back that $6 register reward. So final cost is going to be absolutely free. Definitely a great freebie. All you have to do most of these deals on Sunday, just make sure you buy a newspaper. Some people have been posting on my channel that they grab their newspapers at Dollar Tree and they get them on Mondays, and they're only $1 and they come with all the inserts. So I've never done it that way. I'm definitely going to see if I can give it a shot. I'll have to see where the closest Dollar Tree is to me. But if you can get a newspaper with all the inserts for only $1 instead of $4, of course, this channel is all about money saving tips, and that would obviously be some great savings right there. Okay, Dial hand soap. So the foaming hand soap is going to be on sale. Perfect timing. 2 for $4. Shh. Hold on, please. 2 for $4. You're going to grab 2 of them, of course. Use a $1 off 2 coupon we got from the 3-8 Retail Me Not. So final cost would be $3 for both, or just $1.50 each. Definitely not a bad deal, but of course this is a hot commodity right now. So if you are wanting to do this deal, you're going to have to grab it fast. Scott products. This is a month-long deal because that $1.25 coupon is in the IVC coupon book, and those coupon books go for the entire month. So you're going to be able to stock up on these products for the entire month for these price points, which is absolutely amazing. So this is on the toilet paper and the paper towels. They're always regularly priced at $5. It's printed right on the package. So I just did a scenario with the toilet paper. I know a lot of people are stocking up on that. You're going to pick up 1 for $5. use that $1.25 off IVC coupon. Then on scottbrand.com, every account is different. You can get a 50-cent coupon. Sometimes it'll even be like a 75-cent coupon for the Scott. So just based on a 50-cent printable coupon, you're going to pay just $3.25 for 12 rolls, which I think is a really, really great deal. And I do love Scott products. I think they're a pretty good product. Purex detergent is back again on sale. They're $1.99. There is a 50-cent coupon coming, so final cost is going to be just $1.49. So this includes the Purex crystals, it includes the detergent, and the 4-in-1 packs. So there's no limit on these deals at Walgreens, but they will prevent you from clearing out the shelves again to make sure that everyone has a chance to take advantage of these deals. So it is up to the discretion of, the employees and things like that as to how many they let you have. I usually only grab 1 or 2 because I just don't have too much storage space at my house anyways, but definitely a great deal to stock up on some scent boosters and some detergent. Okay, so here is that Nexxus deal. I had a feeling it was going to come around because we're getting those $5 Nexxus coupons in our Sunday inserts. If you haven't seen my insert preview, make sure you guys take a look at that. It will be linked in the description box as well as at the end of this video. We are getting 2 inserts on Sunday. And one of the coupons in the Retail Me Not is a $5 Nexxus coupon. Such a high value coupon. So one thing you can do is buy 2 of the Nexxus hairsprays. They are $10.49 each. So that'll bring you right past that $20 threshold. If you're new to couponing at Walgreens, remember, any deal that says spend $20 or spend 10 or whatever the value is, you have to hit that number or be more. So for this deal, if you find, I think one of their conditioners is like $19.99, you will not get the 10,000 points back because of that penny. And I feel like Walgreens kind of does that on purpose. Some of their deals, try to be pretty tricky. I don't know why they do that. So just beware of that. Has to be $20 or more, or the 10,000 points will not kick back on your account. So you're going to pay $10.98 with both of those coupons, get back 10,000 points. Final cost is going to be just 49 cents each. Such a great deal, and it's going to count towards beauty at Walgreens. So hopefully we'll get a digital. Usually when the Nexxus coupons come out, we'll get a digital and sometimes even a printable coupon. So make sure you guys have that notification bell clicked. Stay tuned on my channel. Sunday mornings, I go over all the different printable coupons and see if that'll change how many inserts I plan on grabbing. Schick disposable razors are on sale at CVS and at Walgreens. So the better deal is at CVS because you're going to get a $5 extra back. And if you have the CRTs, of course, it makes it a moneymaker. If you don't have any CRTs and you're a newbie couponer, then the better deal would be at Walgreens because it makes them just 99 cents each. So they're on sale for $5.99. You'd pick up 3 of them because the deal is buy 3, get 3,000 points. You're going to use a $4 digital coupon, 2 of the $4 coupons in the 315 Smart Source insert. So of course, to do this deal, you would have to buy at least 2 of the inserts. You're going to pay $5.97, get back 3,000 points, which is the equivalent to $3. Final cost is going to be $2.97 for 3 or 99 cents each. So definitely a great deal for 3 packs of razors. A lot of these razors have 3 or 4 razors per pack. So that'll definitely set you guys up for a couple months with just one deal. All right, so time to get into some of the scenarios. So in the Walgreens ad, I meant to put a photo up here for you. There is a coupon that says spend 20, get 10 times everyday points. So what you would do to get that, make sure you bring up one of the weekly ads with you. They do have to scan it. You're not just going to automatically get it. So what I usually do is I have them scan the items. I type in my phone number, my account pulls up, then I have them scan this. Then I have them scan any paper coupons I have, any register rewards I'm going to be using, and then they hit the pay button, and then all the digitals come off, hopefully, of course, fingers crossed. So for this deal, what you would do is pick up 2 of the Dial soaps and 3 of the Schick disposable razors. So your total is going to come to $21.97. Coupons are going to total $13 because you're going to use 3 of the $4 coupons for the Schick disposables and then a $1 off 2 coupon for the Dial. you'll pay just $8.97 plus taxes. Now for these spend deals, you are allowed to use register rewards to help pay down your out-of-pocket, and then any remainder you can use cash, credit, debit card, whatever. Do not pay with points. Then you're going to get back 2,000 points for the booster, because 10 times everyday points, it's going to come out to, if you spend $20, it'll be 2,000 points, which is the equivalent to $2. Then you're going to get back 3,000 points for doing the Schick deal, so that's $5 back in total. Final cost for this scenario is going to be just $3.97 plus taxes for all 5 items. Definitely not a bad deal, especially including those dial soaps, which a lot of people are in need of. Another scenario for you guys, it is a little bit easier. Not that the first one was hard, but this is just going to be the Nexxus. So the 2 Nexxus hairsprays. It's $20.98, so it's already above that $20 threshold, and it's going to make it a nice moneymaker. So you're going to use the 2 $5 coupons, pay the $10.98 out of pocket. Again, use register rewards, cash to pay it down. We do have those 2 register reward deals, the the Crest and the Colgate, which give a $5 and a $6 register reward. I will have it, of course, break down in my Monday haul. I will give you guys exactly what I'm doing in my first transaction to get all these register rewards to use in my second transaction, so my out-of-pocket is super, super low. Then you're going to get back the 10,000 points for doing the Nexxus deal and 2,000 points for the booster. So we're paying $10.98 plus tax, getting back $12. So that's how it's going to be free and a $1.02 moneymaker. Of course, we're not going to be actually paying that $10.98 out of pocket. I'll show you guys how to use those register rewards to your advantage. I did show on the Walgreens ad preview. If you're new to shopping at Walgreens and you register on walgreens.com/email, you'll get 5,000 points just for registering your email, so they can send you different, flyers and ads and things like that. So you can use those 5,000 points that are completely free. You can use that towards the deals to get those register rewards, then roll those register rewards into the second transaction. I will, of course, break it all down for you and have that printable breakdown listed in the description box of my haul video, like I always do. So don't forget to share this video with friends and family. If anybody is in need of any of these items, you can share these videos with them. It always helps the channel, and I completely appreciate that, as well as let them know of some great deals and savings that they can take advantage of as well that are super, super easy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.